Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube vlog. My name is Wissal. It's been a long time ago that I didn't vlog, but I'm back and with a new house. We bought a new house, me and my husband, and in the northern of Italy, at Lake Maggiore, because we like it so much. And of course, the main thing is the weather. I would like to show you the before and after. We've been busy here already a day. Yesterday we cleared everything out of the pre-owner's stuff. The deal was that she could leave the furniture and take her personal stuff. The reason why we said leave the furniture, because during the renovation we would like to use old furniture instead of buying expensive furniture and renovating. Anyway, so we've been very busy. So we're starting with the best view. That's the main bedroom view, and I really love it. And it's nice when later on to wake up in this bedroom and then have this view. It's amazing. This is the view from the main bedroom. That's Maggiore. Yeah, that house is still not renovated, but I'm not bothered about that. So, and then we're going to the main bedroom. So she left this furniture and we're gonna use a closet, this one, and the bed. We're gonna move that to the next bedroom because we can use it for the guests. So then we're going to the hall. This is the hall. This is me. Yeah, you can see paint bits, but yeah, I'm working, so that's why. What we want is definitely a new bathroom. Everything new, but we want to put a shower as well included. So yeah, excited. Then we're going to the guest bedroom. It's a bit dark here, the blind is shut. Of course, we're changing the wallpaper. This cupboard closet is gonna go away because yeah, we don't need that, that's too much. And like I said, we're using the other bedroom's closet. We are changing it here for the guests. Right, and we're gonna go downstairs. This is another window. There's already so much window shutters to open, to shut, so I keep this shut for now. And then is this beautiful stairs I really love. And what I really love is this bar, the golden bar. And of course we're changing the carpet as well. And probably we're gonna install laminates instead of the carpet upstairs. What the plan as well is to send the stairs in a lighter wood color. Living room, it's big. This chimney, we tried it yesterday out and it went not well. All the smoke went out of here. So that was white yesterday, but yeah, I think we burned too much wood in one go. And so what the plan is to remove this, and to put a standalone log fire. So excited as well. And we're changing the color of the floor as well. And look at this view, amazing, so excited. So this view is from the living room. Nice, really love it. Please ignore the stuff because they're busy renovating. Then we're going to the kitchen. We moved already the door this morning. It was here. And this is the kitchen, guys. It looks so old. Changing the floor, the wall, and hopefully we're changing as well the kitchen. And this is the garden. big rubbish. The garden needs a renovation as well. Because so much to change, guys. It's so much to change. I can't not watch this view. Amazing. This is the house, guys. The fence at the minute that's brown, but we are changing that to black. And you can see that have to be all cleaned. And then we're coming to the back. That's all gonna be white, sand lighter. And this is the back garden. That tree is gonna go away, by the way. Yeah, you see here, the wall is dark. That have to go to a lighter color. We're removing this. This is the entry of the house. You step in, and then you see this. What a view. Yeah, my husband is there, working over there. He's busy. Stunning. I'm excited to live here. A lot of things to do yet. But yeah, loads. Another update. Because I forgot the third bedroom. Well, it's a bedroom slash office. We're not liking this really. And probably here the office. And this is the guest bathroom. A new day, that means a new working day. My project today is to paint this fence behind me. Finished! Oh, that took me like 3 hours. Let me check. I'm making sure I missed nothing. That was 3 hours, but quite fun. And this is the result. Bear in mind, there's some details. It's not done yet, like here, because I would like to use a smaller brush. But ta-da! What do you think? Does it look different? Yeah, I'm happy. Good job! Woo! It's been a really hard work week. It's Saturday today. Tomorrow we're having day off because I'm quite tired, to be fair. And next week we're continuing with this house. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you are watching next week and following me with this renovation. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next week.